Welcome back to the CarBlitz. Today we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated SUV returns in recent memory, the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser. After a short break from the US market, this iconic nameplate is back, and it's got a whole new attitude while staying true to its off-road roots. Let's start with design. Toyota has clearly gone for a retro-modern look that honors the Land Cruiser's history while embracing the future. The overall shape is boxy and upright, with sharp, functional lines that scream capability. Up front, you'll notice a bold grille that varies slightly by trim. On the base, 1958 model, you get round LED headlights and a simplified design that pays homage to the old FJ40. Move up to the standard Land Cruiser trim or the limited run first edition, and you get rectangular lights and a more tech-forward appearance. Regardless of the model, everything here is purposeful. There's no fake venting, no excessive chrome, just rugged, honest design. It rides on 18-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, perfect for both highway comfort and backcountry confidence. Skid plates come standard, as do tow hooks, and the ground clearance is a healthy 8.7 inches. Approach and departure angles are solid, too, important for anyone who plans to do real off-roading. Around back, Toyota keeps things clean with an upright tailgate, LED taillights, and functional roof rails up top. There's no split tailgate this time, which may disappoint some purists, but what you gain is more modern packaging and slightly improved cargo access. Step inside. Toyota has taken a less is more approach, and that's a good thing. This interior is rugged, yet well thought out. You won't find exotic leather or fancy wood trims, but you do get a cabin that feels durable, comfortable, and equipped with the right kind of tech. The dashboard is dominated by a 12.3-inch touchscreen on most trims, 8-inch on the base model, running Toyota's latest multimedia system. It's intuitive, responsive, and includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a digital gauge cluster, wireless phone charging, and plenty of physical buttons, especially for the climate controls and off-road settings. Yes, real buttons, something many of us still appreciate. Under the hood, the 2026 Land Cruiser introduces a major powertrain shift. Say goodbye to the V8. Every model now comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid setup, which Toyota calls the iForce Max. It produces 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, a serious bump over the old V8 in terms of torque, and more than enough grunt for towing or crawling up steep trails. It's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and full-time 4WD is standard across the lineup. This powertrain doesn't just offer better performance, it's also significantly more efficient. Toyota estimates a combined fuel economy of around 23 miles per gallon, which is a huge leap over the outgoing models that barely managed the mid-teens. So, who is the 2026 Land Cruiser really for? It's for the weekend warrior who wants something reliable, durable, and ready to explore. It's not a luxury SUV, and Toyota isn't pretending it is. Instead, they've built a vehicle that's right-sized, thoughtfully equipped, and designed to last for hundreds of thousands of miles. It's more affordable than the 200 series that preceded it, with pricing expected to start in the mid-$50,000s, making it much more accessible to buyers who want true off-road capability without over-the-top cost. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives on the latest SUVs, trucks, and adventure rigs. Let us know in the comments. Would you pick the new Land Cruiser over a 4Runner or a Bronco? We'll see you in the next one. Safe travels.